Hi folks, and welcome back. We're going to be doing a very easy grunge one in this one. Nirvana's Territorial Pissings. Guitar tone for this one I think was a Rat pedal, but plugged directly into the console, so it gives a really sort of, so no amp basically, gives it a really smashed sounding tone. But I've gone for the Jam Rattler, and I've just turned everything up to 11. Just sounds pretty good to me either way. It's not exactly the same as the album because that is quite a harsh sounding tone, but that's what I'm going for. And this is super easy. We've got 3 chords. That is just a power chord, 5-7-7 from the low string. All of the strumming in this is just down, up, down, up, down, up, and it's 8th notes throughout. So you're going to play 4 down and 4 up alternately. Okay, then you move that up to the 8th fret. That's on the A string now. And you're going to play 8, 10, 10, 10. I use my little finger there. You might be more comfortable with your 3rd. And again, you're going to do 8. Then you move it all down to the 5th fret. And you play that for 2 bars, so twice as long, right? So you're going to do 8 down, 8 up alternately. So slowly. And to speed. That's so good. Halfway through you've got this. Which is basically just the first chord. You're going to palm mute and play 2 chugs basically. And then the A5 chord. With that rhythm, right? You'll also hear this coming out of it. And you can do this by just using your little finger to flatten it against the 7th fret. Okay, so it's something along those lines if you care. Then later on in it, it gets even more hacky, and basically it's the same riff. But subtle difference is, when you go to the 2nd chord, you also include the 8th fret on the 6th string, right, on the low string. So you're playing 8, 8, 10, 10, 10. And the same when you go down to the 5th fret. So that slowly. And to speed. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Cheers. Bye bye.